Imagine squeezing your whole family into a tiny cruise cabin and still having room to breathe, without paying for upgrades. Stick around as I reveal 12 genius hacks that turn family cruises from stressful to spectacular.
Hey there, fellow travelers. If you're planning a family cruise, you know the drill. Excited kids, tight spaces, and a million little things that can go wrong. But don't worry, I've got your back. As a seasoned cruise enthusiast, I've scoured the seas and the internet for the best family-friendly hacks that make sailing with little ones a breeze. These aren't your basic tips. They're clever shortcuts that save space, time, and sanity. We'll count them down from 12 to 1, so let's jump right in and make your next voyage epic. Starting with hack number 12. Use magnetic hooks to create instant storage in your cabin. Cruise ship walls are usually metal, so grab some heavy-duty magnetic hooks from home and hang everything from jackets and hats to wet swimsuits or even a lightweight bag for toys. Why does this work wonders for families? In those cozy staterooms, every inch counts, especially with kids' gear piling up. This hack frees up floor space, keeps things organized, and prevents that dreaded "Mom, where's my stuff?" meltdown. Pro tip: pack extras for the kids' height so they can hang their own items and feel independent. Hack number 11. Store your empty suitcase under the bed, but leave it open as a makeshift hamper. Once you've unpacked, slide your largest suitcase under the bed frame, most cabins have enough clearance, and use it to toss in dirty clothes throughout the trip. For families, this is gold because kids generate laundry like pros. Think sandy beach outfits or spilled juice stains. It keeps the room tidy, separates clean from dirty for easy repacking, and saves you from buying overpriced laundry bags on board. Just line it with a mesh bag if you want to contain odors.
Hack number 10. Bring an over-the-door shoe organizer for all those small essentials. Hang it on the bathroom door or inside the closet, use zip ties or magnets if doors are finicky, and fill the pockets with sunscreen, snacks, diapers, toys, or even kids' shoes. Families love this because cruise bathrooms are tiny and kids' stuff multiplies fast. This hack adds vertical storage without cluttering counters or floors. It's cheap, packs flat, and turns chaos into order. Some parents even let kids shop from their own pockets for independence.
Hack number 9. Pack lanyards for everyone's cruise key cards. Punch a hole in the cards or use holders and wear them around your neck. Get fun, colorful ones for the kids to make it exciting. This prevents the all-too-common "I lost my card" drama that can halt family fun, especially when kids are old enough to roam to the kids' club. It's a simple safety net that keeps charges off lost cards and lets everyone access rooms or activities hassle-free, saving you time at guest services.
Hack number 8. Download the cruise line's mobile app before you board for free onboard messaging. Most apps, like Royal Caribbean's or Disney's, let you chat with family members without Wi-Fi fees, track daily schedules, and even reserve spots. For families, it's a lifesaver. Split up for pool time versus arcade, and ping each other instantly without yelling across decks. No more lost kids or missed meetups. Just remember to stay in airplane mode to avoid roaming charges.
Hack number 7. Bring walkie-talkies for port days and open-deck communication. Affordable sets work great on beaches or excursions where cell service is spotty, letting parents check in with older kids exploring nearby. Families swear by this because cruises often dock in remote spots with no signal, and it's cheaper than international data plans. Plus, kids think it's like a spy game, fun and functional for keeping tabs without stress. Hack number 6. Overpack diapers, formula, wipes, and kid meds, just in case. Bring way more than you think you'll need, stashing extras in your carry-on for embarkation day. Why is this a hack for families? Onboard shops charge a fortune for basics, and ports might not have your brand. Avoid mid-cruise panic if a stomach bug hits or supplies run low. It's peace of mind in a bag, especially for toddlers who can't wait. Hack number 5. Pack familiar bedtime essentials like a favorite blanket, nightlight, or white noise machine. Set up a cozy corner in the cabin to mimic home routines, helping kids wind down after exciting days. This hack shines for families because sea days and new environments can disrupt sleep, leading to cranky mornings. It soothes little ones faster, giving parents some downtime too. Bonus if you plug in a multi-adapter for charging everything.
Hack number 4. Choose your cabin location strategically. Aim for midship or near kids' amenities like the pool or club. When booking, study deck plans to avoid noisy areas under theaters or far from elevators. Families benefit hugely here. Less walking means less tired tantrums, quicker access to fun spots, and smoother naps. It's like upgrading your convenience without the cost. Book early for the best picks.
Hack number 3. Use Post-it notes on your cabin door for family messages. When kids check in or out of clubs or head to activities, they can stick notes like, "At the pool, back at 5." This low-tech hack keeps everyone coordinated without constant app checks, perfect for mixed-age families where older siblings roam. It builds responsibility in kids and reduces "where are you" stress for parents.
Hack number 2. Bring a pop-up hamper or large mesh laundry bag for dirty clothes. Pop it open in a corner or closet and toss in used items daily. Some even double as ditch bags. For bustling families, this contains the mess that builds up fast, especially post-excursion. It airs out smells, packs flat when empty, and makes laundry day, or self-wash hacks, easier. No more piles on the floor.
And our top hack? Number 1. Opt for a family cabin or connecting rooms if possible, requesting fold-down bunks or sofa beds. Check cruise lines for kid-suited setups with extra space. This is the ultimate for families, because standard rooms feel like sardine cans with toys and luggage. Extra room means play areas, privacy, and fewer bumps. It turns the cabin into a home base, often at little extra cost if booked smartly. Woo! That's our countdown of 12 cruise ship hacks that'll level up your family adventure. From magnetic magic to app savvy, these tips keep the focus on fun, not frustration. Remember, cruising with kids is all about creating those wow moments, whether it's splashing in the pool or exploring new ports together. If this video sparked some ideas for your next trip, hit that like button and subscribe for more travel hacks. Drop a comment below. What's your go-to family cruise trick? Or tell me which hack you're trying first. Thanks for watching. Smooth sailing ahead.